In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a part of a video into a photo in CapCut PC. If you need to isolate one exact moment from your video and turn it into a still image, CapCut makes the process very simple. This is useful when you want to create a thumbnail, save a clean snapshot, or just preserve a specific frame as a photo. We'll go from choosing the right frame on the timeline to exporting it as a high-quality image file on your computer. To begin, look down at your timeline and click once on your video clip to make sure it's selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you're working with before you freeze anything. Next, drag the playhead along the timeline until it lands on the exact frame you want to capture. Take your time here and be precise, because the quality of your final image depends on choosing the perfect moment. Once the playhead is sitting on the right frame, move up to the small toolbar directly above the timeline. In that row, find the freeze icon and click it once. As soon as you do that, CapCut will split the video at that point and insert a still image section into your track. By default, this frozen section lasts for about 3 seconds, which is helpful if you also want that frame to remain visible inside your edited video. Now that the frame is locked in, the next step is to export it as an actual image file. Go to the central preview window, then move to the top right corner of that player area. Click the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that list, select Export Still Frame. After that, a settings window will pop up in the center of your workspace. Click into the name field and enter a clear, simple title for your image so it's easy to find later. Then open the Format drop-down and choose PNG. This format is a great choice when you want strong image quality and sharp detail. Once that's set, click the blue Export button. CapCut will then save that exact frame as a high-definition photo on your computer. That means you've not only frozen the frame inside the timeline, but also created a separate image file you can use anywhere you want. And that's it. You've successfully captured a part of your video and turned it into a photo in CapCut PC.